denial, denial,
denial, deny, undeniable, undeniably.
When you say that something is not true.
A denial of his guilt.
Wavelength, wavelength.
If two people are on the same wavelength, they have the same way of thinking and it is easy for them to understand each other.
We chatted occasionally, but I never really felt we were on the same wavelength. Afford, 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 unaffordable.
If you cannot afford to do something, it is impossible for you to do it without causing problems.
We can't afford to take that risk. Excel, 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 excellent. Excelling, excelled.
To be very good at something.
Paula always excelled in languages at school.
To do something better than you usually do.
The British team have excelled themselves this year to reach the finals.
Lesson, lesson,
Lesson, lesson.
To punish someone so that they will not behave badly again.
The next time she's late, go without her. That should teach her a lesson. Unknown, unknown. Knowledge, unknown, know, known, unknown, knowledgeable, knowingly.
Someone or something that you do not know and so you cannot be certain about.
The road conditions in that area are a bit of an unknown quantity. Land, 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 landing, land.
A country.
A land of ice and snow. The group want to promote their ideas in schools throughout the land.
To get something, usually something good.
He's just landed a new job at an agency in London.
plight, plight,
An unpleasant or difficult situation.
The plight of the sick and the poor.
Decay, decay.
Decay, decay.
When something decays.
Many of the buildings had fallen into decay. Lifespan, lifespan.
The amount of time that a person lives or a thing exists.
The average human lifespan has increased steadily in the last century. Some electrical goods have a short lifespan. Balcony, balcony.
The seats in an upper area of a theater.
We had seats in the balcony. Play, 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 player, play.
To play a piece of music by remembering the notes.
She plays all the songs by ear.
To decide how to deal with a situation as it develops.
I'm not sure what to tell Dad. I'll just have to play it by ear.
To be involved in an activity that could be dangerous.
We're playing with fire if we continue with genetic modification of our food.
To not deal with the situation seriously or honestly.
Someone's life is in danger here, we're not playing games.
Behavior that is fair, honest, and does not take advantage of people.
The public needs to feel a sense of fair play from the government. Hypocritical. Hypocritical. Hypocrisy, hypocritical.
Hypocritical people pretend to believe things that they do not really believe or that are the opposite of what they do or say at another time.
Having told Tom that he should not accept any money from her. It would be rather hypocritical if I did.
Incur. Incur.
Incur. Incur.
To lose money, owe money, or have to pay money because of something that has happened.
The company incurred huge losses as a result of its investments. Observe. Observe. Observation, observer, observe, observant.
To obey a law, rule, or religious custom.
To observe the law.